Welcome to another video from Destinations A to Z. We are at Perry Fairgrounds here in Perry, Georgia. Check out what we're looking at right here. These are all the RVs here at FRVA, what used to be former FMCA. Let's go in here and check them out, go through them, show you what they got. Just an absolute gorgeous paint job. It's on the XCM Freightliner chassis. Let's go in and check it out. It's got neutral interior. Got a nice fireplace here. Got gray cabinetry. Got a televator over here to the right. Got a dishwasher here. Probably got your pantry here.
Can't do it, almost nothing.
Yes. Got a pantry here. Midship height bath. Very nice. Door needs some adjustment. And you do have your entertainment system here. Nice king tilt bed here. Real nice. And here's your bath, dual vessel, toiletry. And then here's your shower. Very nice shower, large. Here we have whirlpool stackable. Very nice RV indeed. Again with king bed. So, and do have a hide loft.
Yeah, it's not clear here, but I don't clear there.
Yeah.
So nice ceiling medallion as well.
I have a lot of headaches, I don't know.
No, doesn't hit hard. I got a pretty hard head. I just have it on.
Here's your cockpit. See, it does have all digital Freightliner cockpit as well. And then here's for your slide outs.